Hello. Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm getting ready to go on a date with my husband. It's our 6th anniversary, but I just wanted to say hello and hope that everybody's having a great weekend and a good week coming up. It's going to be a busy one for me. And I just wanted to share my latest collaboration with Jill Jackson, who's the moderator in my group, and she's located in Florida. I'm in North Carolina. And her channel on YouTube is Sister Earthification. Check it out. And she did a beautiful forbidden rainbow swipe. And I encourage you to take a look at her video too, but it's also in my video of the painting of the elephant. But she has a very unique way of doing it that makes it really super easy for beginners and everybody to understand. So check it out. So here is Purple Elephant. And it is nice and bright and colorful. Has a glossy finish on it. 16 by 20. So let's see if I can get some of that glare off of it. I don't know if I can or not. I've got windows all around. But you can see all the colors, the bright, cheerful colors. You can see some of the swipe through the elephant's body. And it's got both of our signatures on it. So anyway, this is the elephant in the room. I had a blast painting this. I love to do collaborations. I've got another one to do with Heather Mader, and I've got a few more to do with Jill. And if there's anyone else interested in doing a collaboration, just hit me up. You can email me, Sandra at sandralett.com, or message me on Facebook. And if you're not in my Facebook group, make sure to go sign up and join our group. It's over 10,000 strong, beautiful, encouraging, and uplifting artists. We keep it all positive. No politics or religion is discussed. And this baby's for sale. So we're looking for a buyer. You can message me if you're interested. Thank you so much, and I'll be working on my latest tutorial this coming week. And you can always make a request if there's a tutorial that you would like to see me do on my platform where I teach you how to paint traditionally with acrylics. I just did a drawing class for those that want to learn how to draw and to learn to do shading, dark and light, and make things look 3D. And I'm also going to get ready for another auction that maybe will happen around the end of August. Yeah, I think about the end of August. That gives me some time to work on some stuff. And I've been doing resin, which I love to do. I'm just learning how to play with it, but I'm having a blast. So I'm going to keep doing stuff like that. I'll always do acrylic pours, but I've been an artist for 20 years and I get bored pretty quickly. And after doing over 700 videos of acrylic pours, you know, I just have to switch it up every so often. So I will always do pours, but I'm going to always go back to my traditional acrylic art. And I am embracing the new resin rage. So anyway, have a great weekend. There's a peek at my living room and kitchen. I'm changing my curtains. I'm going to sew some new curtains. The fabric's coming soon. It's going to be a little bit more contemporary. But I posted pictures on my Facebook page of our yard, and things are just in bloom and they're gorgeous. So take a look at my regular Facebook page, and you can see some of the beautiful stuff growing in our yard right now. So have a great weekend whenever this video gets posted, and a great week. coming up. I'll see you later. Hugs.